Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about one of the most versatile and nutritious foods out there, chickpeas. Whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier alternative to meat, chickpeas are a great choice. In this video, we'll cover everything from the health benefits of chickpeas to some delicious recipes you can make with them. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a type of legume that are packed with nutrients. They are a great source of plant-based protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. In this video, we'll explore the many health benefits of chickpeas, including their ability to aid in digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. We'll also show you how to cook chickpeas perfectly every time, and share some delicious recipes that you can make with them. From chickpea salads to hummus, we'll cover it all. Chickpeas are an incredibly versatile and nutritious food that can be used in a variety of ways. Not only are they delicious, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits. From aiding in digestion to reducing the risk of heart disease, chickpeas are a great addition to any diet. So, whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking for a healthier alternative to meat, be sure to give chickpeas a try. As we mentioned earlier, chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. This makes them a great addition to any diet, whether you're a vegan, vegetarian, or just looking to reduce your meat intake. You can add chickpeas to salads, soups, stews, and even use them as a meat substitute in dishes like tacos and burgers. When it comes to cooking chickpeas, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, it's important to soak them overnight before cooking to help reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. You can also use canned chickpeas, which are convenient and easy to use. Now, let's talk about some of the delicious recipes you can make with chickpeas. One of our favorites is homemade hummus. Simply blend cooked chickpeas with tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil for a creamy and delicious dip. You can also make chickpea fritters, which are a great snack or appetizer. And for a healthy and filling salad, try our recipe for chickpea and quinoa salad with a lemon vinaigrette. In conclusion, chickpeas are a nutritious and versatile food that should definitely be a staple in your diet. With their many health benefits and delicious flavor, you can't go wrong with chickpeas. So go ahead and give them a try today. That's all for today's video on the amazing benefits of chickpeas. We hope you learned something new and are feeling inspired to try some of the delicious recipes we shared. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on healthy eating and nutrition. And as always, thank you for watching.